Hey YouTube, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Realme 2 devices which have been unveiled today in India, and these two devices are Realme Narzo 10 and Realme Narzo 10E. It was expected that we might see a new type of a design or new features inside the Narzo series, but it turns out that these two devices are just similar to Realme C3 and Realme 6i. Both of these devices are pretty much similar in terms of specification. There is only one two or different things which are included in that particular devices. Other than that, these devices are pretty much similar. So anyhow, let's jump into the video and tell you about the spec sheet of the Realme Narzo 10 and 10A. Starting from the display of the device, we will see a 6.5 inch of a screen which is coming with a water drop notch on front of the device, and that water drop notch is coming with a 5 megapixel of a selfie camera. Also, the front is protected by Gorilla Glass protection, and there is some coating over the front where it is protected with a splash resistance. Moving on towards the back side, we will have a triple camera setup on the back side, in which the main camera is going to be of 12 megapixel, 2 megapixel is going to be the macro shooter, 2 megapixel is the depth sensor camera, and we will also see a fingerprint scanner support present on the back side. The back design is coming with a Realme logo present horizontally on the back side, and there are two color options for this particular device, and these colors are so blue and so white. Internally, if you look at those devices, you will see a Helio G70 processor which is optimized for gaming, and you can play PUBG in HD settings in that particular device. The device is coming with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage, and the storage is based on UFS 2.0. Also, the device is capable of reverse charging. Battery-wise, the Narzo 10 series is coming with a 5000 mAh of a battery inside. Moving on towards the Realme Narzo 10, and we will see a similar kind of a design on the front of the device just we have seen in Realme Narzo 10, and in that particular device we will see a 6.5 inch of IPS LCD display present on the front of the device, and it is also coming with a water drop notch as well, and that water drop notch is coming with a 16 megapixel of a selfie camera on top of that, and it is also protected with a Gorilla Glass protection. Splash resistant protection is also present by using a nano coating. Moving on towards the back side, well, we have a quad camera setup in which the main camera is going to be a 48 megapixel camera sensor, and along with that we will see an 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera which can take 119 degree of wide angle shot. Also, the third camera is going to be a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera and 2 megapixel of a macro shooter. Also, on the back side we will see a fingerprint scanner support as well. Moving on towards the internals of the device, well, we see for the first time in a Realme device a Helio G80 processor inside that particular device, and that processor is good for gaming, and it is also optimized for gaming as well, and provides you a best of for the gaming purposes. Battery wise, the device is coming with a 5000 mAh of a battery inside, and the RAM which is coming inside that particular device is going to be 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. So personally, if I give my opinion, then I'm not pretty much excited about these two devices, because in terms of design and look, we will see that these two devices are pretty much similar to the Realme C3 and Realme 6i, and I'm not sure that why Realme have launched these two devices with a different naming inside them. Obviously, there is only one change in Realme Narzo 10A, in which we will see a new camera sensor present in the Realme C3. So guys, I'm not pretty much excited about these two devices. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.